Welcome to the world of meditation, where tranquility meets your daily routine. Meditation, a practice rooted in ancient history, continues to be revered for its profound impact on mental and physical health. Stephan will guide us through its evolution from spiritual rituals to modern-day stress relief techniques. As we delve into the health benefits, you'll discover how meditation reduces anxiety, enhances concentration, and promotes overall well-being. Regular meditation not only calms the mind but also fortifies the body against the stressors of daily life, fostering a state of balance and peace. Diving into the essentials of meditation, Stephan highlights three core concepts: mindfulness, focus, and breathing techniques. Mindfulness involves staying present and aware without judgment, a fundamental element that transforms ordinary experiences into a deeper engagement with the moment. Focus, another pillar of meditation, requires directing and maintaining attention on a particular object or thought, training the mind to stay steady and undistracted. Additionally, specialized breathing techniques are employed to anchor your thoughts, control rhythm, and deepen relaxation. Mastering these basics empowers individuals to harness the full therapeutic potential of meditation. Creating the perfect space for meditation is pivotal in enhancing your practice. Stephan guides you through selecting a quiet spot, ideally away from daily distractions, ensuring serenity and focus. The ambience of the space can significantly affect your meditation experience. Utilizing aromatic aids such as essential oils or incense can elevate the soothing atmosphere, facilitating deeper relaxation and concentration. Elements like comfortable seating and soft lighting can also contribute to a more inviting and peaceful environment. By mindfully setting up your meditation area, you can create a sanctuary that supports your journey towards inner calm and clarity. Embarking on your first meditation can feel daunting, but with Stephan's step-by-step guidance, you'll find ease and clarity in the process. Begin with your posture. A steady, comfortable position, either seated or lying down, helps facilitate the flow of energy and maintains focus. Breathing techniques are next: slow, deep breaths that help regulate your body's rhythms and quiet the mind. Managing thoughts effectively is crucial. Rather than fighting them, simply observe and let them pass, returning your focus to your breath or a chosen object. These foundational practices set the stage for a successful meditation experience. Integrating meditation into your daily life is a commitment to self-improvement. Stephan offers practical advice to nurture this habit effectively. Setting a fixed time daily for meditation helps develop a routine, whether it's in the early morning or before bedtime. Using reminders or scheduling apps can prompt you until it becomes a natural part of your day. Staying motivated involves remembering the benefits, like reduced stress and improved focus. Additionally, tracking your progress can be incredibly rewarding. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small, to reinforce your dedication and appreciate the positive changes in your well-being.